Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to a camera test comparison between the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We're currently shooting in 4K 60 FPS on all these phones. You can see how the quality is looking, as well as the microphone icon at the video, so you can see which phone has the current microphone on. Let me know which one is doing the best job in this current scenario in the comments below. Today we compare three of the best camera phones on the market, the best cameras from Samsung, Apple, and Google. As usual, we'll be doing everything from daylight performance to night performance, zoom shots, and everything in between. You guys are the judge here, but I'll be sharing my thoughts later in the video. Before we begin, big thanks to ESR for making this video possible. Stop wasting money right now and get yourself some quality cases for your iPhone that will last you for years. The new ESR iPhone cases are here to blow your mind. First, we have ESR Soft Case, which is super silky, buttery, and soft to the touch. Then we have ESR Hybrid Case. It's classic, clear, and brilliant. And finally, ESR Tough Case that can make your iPhone almost indestructible with serious drop test protection while still keeping that beautiful look. All of these cases have shock-proof protection with raised edges that exceeds the military-grade standard. All of them are MagSafe compatible for fast wireless charging, and they all have a killer feature, which is why I love ESR cases so much, is the camera stand that can actually let you dock your phone in landscape so you can use your phone or watch your favorite videos hands-free. And also, for a complete protection package, I highly recommend checking out ESR's Ultra Tempered Glass Screen Protector that is so easy to install. Literally, your dog can do it for you. It's such a high quality glass with up to 50 kg force resistance. So what are you waiting for? Check out ESR's amazing offers right now by clicking the link in the description. So now we have switched to the back camera and we're shooting in the cinematic mode on the iPhone, portrait video on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the cinematic blur mode on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, Pixel only shoots up to 1080p 24 FPS, while both iPhone and Samsung offers 4K 30 FPS options, so we should be seeing more detail on both Samsung and Apple compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, just to take a look at the blur quality on these phones, I'm just gonna have my face up close. You can see which one is doing better job. And once again, you can see the microphone icon, which indicates which one has the audio quality coming from. So let me know which one has the best mic in the comments below. Now we're shooting in 4K 30 FPS by using the 5x lens on all three phones. I'm standing quite a bit far away from the cameras. So again, let me know which one is capturing the audio quality best. And since this is a low light scenario, because the day is almost about to end, you kind of see how these phones are struggling or handling the light, especially with the 5x lens, so this should be a good example. We're shooting in 4K 60 FPS on all three phones, and you can see we have a kind of a tough situation where we've got this window in the background with a lot of light coming in, and you can see which one is doing the better job here at managing those highlight and details. Let's go ahead and walk outside and see how the scene looks. Here we have another similar situation where once again we have this door that has a lot of light coming in from outside, and in this scenario I can definitely see that Galaxy S24 Ultra is managing that the best compared to the Pixel and the iPhone, which is prioritizing the inside a lot more. So it's definitely brighter on the inside but not from the outside. Okay, so regarding my thoughts on the video performance between all three phones, while iPhone is the king overall, especially when shooting at 4K 60 or even 4K 30 in low light performance, it's got less noise and more consistent performance. But at the same time, when shooting in daylight scenario, a bright sun in the background, it just doesn't really do a well job compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL with its fantastic HDR performance with the videos. I was very surprised how well Pixel handled these tough scenarios, but as you enter low light scenarios, you start to see a lot of noise on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, something you don't see on the iPhone or even the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now both Samsung and Apple can shoot videos up to 4K 120 frames per second, so you can slow them down and get a nice slow-mo, something you can't do on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So regarding my thoughts on the photo performance, overall as a whole, all three phones do a great job, but there are some key differences to note. First up, the iPhone 16 Pro Max by default shoots in 24 megapixel, while both Pixel and Samsung are still shooting in 12 megapixel mode. When you zoom in, you do notice the quality difference. While you can switch to higher resolution manually, most people are just gonna shoot on the default resolution, which is why I still think that Samsung and Google should implement this option. Now, what about the actual image itself? I think they all have their own kind of colors going on. With each picture, you'll see slight differences, but overall, I think for me personally, Pixel does the best as it's really good with their strong HDR performance. For just out of the camera photos, Pixel's HDR is doing some wonderful job. Samsung kind of offers the middle balanced performance of colors compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. However, it can often go a bit too far with the colors, especially if you look at the sky in some of these shots. Like consistently, I'm getting this super light blue sky, which doesn't look attractive at all. Other than this, S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they do a great job overall with photos. But overall, for just normal photo performance, I'm leaning towards the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, when it comes to telephoto lens performance, I think Samsung still has an edge over both Apple and Google. It's really annoying that Pixel 9 Pro XL can't shoot portrait mode photos by using its 5x lens. While the zoom shots from the Pixel are great and they can go up to 30x level, something you can't do on the iPhone. But using that on a human subject in kind of a low light scenario, you're going to see just how much over-sharpening Pixel does compared to Samsung and Apple. Also, Samsung still offers that 3x zoom for more flexibility. Again, that's just something you don't get on iPhone. As for the ultra-wide-angle lens, it's great on all of them. For photos, I still think HDR performance is the best on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Both Apple and Google allows you to take high megapixel ultra wide angle photos when you have a good lighting scenario, something that Samsung doesn't have right now. But still, in most scenarios, Samsung's ultra wide angle lens is still holding up pretty good against the Google and the Apple. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Who do you think is the best based on the results that you have seen in this video? With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.